Hi everyone, so today I'm back with another SQL problem, and this is from Start to Scratch. It's another site where you can practice SQL questions for interviews. I highly recommend this as well if you're preparing for data science interviews. So let's get started with this question. The question says that we need to find the top ranked songs for the past 20 years, and we need to find all the songs that were top ranked at first position at least once in the past 20 years. Now, let's see the expected, let's see how this table looks like. So I'm going to select all the columns from Billboard, uh, from this table that they have specified here. And let's see how it looks like. So we have the year, and we need to only select the past 20 years. And to do that, we need to call a date part function, which all of you can look in PostgreSQL's syntax online to see what that function does. And we need to only have those songs that have appeared in the first rank. And so we need to have a whereby clause, which is simple, where the year rank is equal to 1. And we need to make sure that we do not have the same song names duplicated, so we need to have a distinct song name operation in this as well. So let's start writing the code, and while I'm writing it, I can explain if there could be some certain confusions, but this would be a pretty simple logic from here. So we need to select only the distinct song names. But let me just put the song name for now and see how the output looks like. And as I said, they're saying that they were top ranked, so the year rank is equal to 1. And we need to make sure that these are only songs that were seen in the past 20 years. So to do that, we have to call a date part function, which will take in the year, which is taken in the year column, and then we need to pass in a current date. And then, so this will essentially, what this date part function does is it will pull off the current date by taking in the year column, and then it will subtract, and we need to subtract it from the year, and we need to make sure this is less than or equal to 20. Now let's run the code. Okay, great. So we have the song names now, and let's look at this. So we have the song names duplicated, and we only want distinct. We do not need to repeat it all the time. So let's run it at a distinct loop, because that will only return the non-duplicated items. And then we run the code, and cool. Now we have all the songs names based on the first rank, and those are those that were seen at least once in the past 20 years, using the date part function call. And I hope this runs. So let's solve it. Okay, our solution is good and it's submitted. So great, we have solved this question, and I hope you all understood the question. And if something was different, or you all found interesting, or you would like me to write it in a more optimal way, feel free to comment on the YouTube links for this video, and I'll see you all next time.